This is a MacBook Pro 16-inch 2023 M3 Pro 36 gigabyte, and 512 gigabyte. You can see the cycle counter 32 100% of the battery capacity, and the GPU 18 cores, and the CPU 12 cores. And you can see this is a silver color, the beautiful silver color. The keyboard, no scratches here, and the keyboard backlight. And let me make it brighter. The keyboard. Okay, now you can see the keyboard backlights, no problem. And the top cover, also no scratches. And you can see the back. Okay, the back. You can see no scratches. Here is non-scratch the glue. Okay, no problem. And then let me show you the charging port. Okay, no problem. And the HDMI port, you can see also no scratches, the beautiful condition. And let me show you the display. The 60-inch display is very expensive, and let me show you. I changed the wallpaper. Okay, now you can see the 60-inch display. No bright spots, no dark spots. Okay, okay. Now you can see the dark spots, the dust. Okay, no worry. It's not a scratch, not a dent. Okay, not broken. Okay, and let me change another color. Red color. Okay, no problem. And also, test the camera. Okay, you can see the camera. No problem. The camera, maybe some oil. But let me clean this. Clean the camera. Okay, no problem. Okay, this is the okay M3 Pro 36 and 512. Okay,